all the spectators that are watching this Influencer Cricket League. As you know, this is second night. First of all, I want to welcome from your youngest PTV Sports commentator, Ibtisam. We will have to wait how many runs they will set as a target for Rajabal team. 69 over shot line. Start his first over, first ball, first legal ball. This time he punished onto the leg side. What a maximum hit. It's out of the park. What a sensational hit. And fans love it. Oh wow, what a shot. That's a serious connection on very first ball. And it first maximum. Now the second delivery is coming. This time. And that will be taken. Caught behind. Oh my goodness. What a drama continued there. First ball, first maximum. And the second ball, wicket is come. Oh my goodness, you can see Raja Bhatt na bhai na. Not. You cannot hit again and again sixes. You should go to pavilion. Check the signals of Raja Bhatt. He is just laughing at the batsman to go to the sleep and go to the pavilion. Wow, what a drama. First ball, first wicket. A space of little man to stand there. The crowd is full. Tonight face his first delivery and third delivery of his 69 jersey number bowler. This time, good shot. And field is present there. Single run added to the red total. And once again, fourth delivery is loading. This time, straight down the ground. Field is present over there. Once again, bowler starts it up. This time, he punished on the leg side. The ball is traveling there. It is in there. Fielder over there. Catch is dropped. Oh my goodness. Another chance for the fielder. Last delivery is coming. This time the ball is looking too offside from the off stump. But he has done a very good comeback after that. This time slow one punished away onto the leg side. And catch. Oh my goodness. Another wicket. Another breakthrough for the Faisalabad Falcons. First over completed with the loss of 2 wickets. And you can just celebrate the Raja Bhatt on there. Raja Bhatt and their teammates enjoying as they have got second wicket on very first over. You can replay it. You can watch. He might hit a 6 on a mid-side and fielder is present over there. He takes the sensational and easy catch there. Wow, what a drama continue there. First 2 important wickets have come on very first over. Just look at that celebration style. Over will come from Russian lefty. His start is run up. This time, that's a white ball. This time, that's looking a good delivery. Low fall toss there. From starts his run up with a delight in order to score the wicket. This time, no proper connection and no further run will add it to the Faisalabad Falcons. Runs from his bat from Russian lefty. This time, over Faisalabad Falcons. Once again, Russian lefty starts his run up. Another good ball, same run, same. There are very people and families are enjoying in Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. This time the catch. Yes, it has. It will taken. Oh my goodness. Got a wicket. But what drama there. Drama there. Raja Bhatt is demanding for a wicket. Maybe the ball touch on his shoulder. It means he's in safe state. That's a wicket. Mandore says that. So where mistakenly said that's a wicket. Mandore says that, what are you doing, brother, there? You should hit the ball onto the out of the park in order to score our team into the semi-final round, as we have no more chances. Last delivery of the second over and his for his safe situation over there, his first over. Another good ball, and this time no chance for the third man. It gone for 4. No matter where the ball on there, but still he get 4 runs. Rush lefty once again start his run for his last delivery. This time the ball is in the air. It should be taken. No, it has. 2 catches dropped. Not good for fielding from Lahore Lions.